Let's think about why would the school board want to have a clinic? And when you think about that for any length of time at all, you realize we are in the people business. We address people every day in all kinds of shapes and sizes and configurations and locations. But when it comes down to it, what sort of care are we taking of our own employees? And I think that the board thought, oh my gosh, what sort of benefits can we provide to these fabulous employees we have to let them know that they are valued, but also to give them an opportunity for some specialized care in a convenient location that would be at no cost to them. So that really was the impetus behind it.
Polk County School Board has been talking about implementing a health clinic for our employees for several years. And we were very excited to provide an opportunity for our employees to receive free health care, not only for themselves, but for their spouses, children, families, depending on who is signed up through our health insurance program.
Welcome to your Polk County School Board Employee Health Center. Our goal is to provide you and your family with primary health care at no cost to you in a convenient location with extended office hours. We have 2 warm, welcoming waiting rooms for your comfort, one for well visits and one for sick patients. Our courteous and professional staff is ready to serve all PCSB employees, retirees, and their covered family members from age 2 and up that participate in our health insurance program. Your Employee Health Center provides both lab work and many generic prescriptions on-site and at no copay. You have exclusive access to primary care services, such as well-woman checkups, annual physicals, adult and childhood vaccinations, and sick visits for colds, flu, sore throats, headaches, bladder, ear, and sinus infections. The clinic also provides chronic disease management for diabetes, high blood pressure, and cholesterol conditions. Your clinic also provides a care coordinator from Florida Blue to help you understand your insurance benefits and to guide you through your coverages if you need to see a specialist.
When I have been to the clinic, I have found that the professionals over there were just wonderful. They were very warm and welcoming. They knew their stuff, which is really important. But what a great location. When you go in, you feel very comfortable. It's very inviting. Even the color scheme is beautiful. So we really hope that our employees will also take advantage of the clinic and find out all that it has to offer.
I've got a big, good reaction from all the employees, all the people that I actually represent. I represent some of the lower paid employees in our school board, custodians, bus drivers, and they're real happy with it because they come here with no cost to them. And it kind of helps them save money and budget more, because if they get sick and they need to come somewhere to go to a doctor, which they would have to pay a copay and sometimes even a deductible, they don't have that here at this clinic.
Well, I think there is a twofold process. One is that it encourages people to go because it has hours that are conducive with work times, which is an extraordinarily important piece, given that it's always difficult to get appointments that match our duty day. So that was one piece. The other piece was being able to integrate wellness programs, Polk County School Board-based wellness programs, directly in with the providers themselves so that we could actually have a link between our wellness programs and our health delivery system. That's an invaluable asset right there. And then the other piece, I think, is that it's sort of it's ours. It's a clinic dedicated just to school board employees where they can go. They can access health care at no cost. They have the provision to get generic drugs at no cost. It's just that little added incentive for somebody who maybe thought they had a financial barrier to taking care of themselves.
I woke up and had been coughing for a few days and ended up realizing that I was not going to get through the weekend, and I had contacted my primary care physician, and they were unable to schedule an appointment for me for 4 days, which included the weekend plus 4 additional days in the work week. And knowing my own health, I realized that if I waited 3, 4, 5 more days, I would probably be severely ill and probably in bed. And so I contacted the health clinic early on a Saturday morning in the hopes that maybe I could be seen. And The lady was very cordial on the phone, explained to me that she already had appointments booked for the day, but if I was willing to come in and wait until their last patient, they would be more than happy to see me. And they did. I ended up having bronchitis, and I was able to get a Z-Pack, and I was better within the next few days. So I was very, very grateful that that opportunity actually was able to help myself as well.
You know, our employees are our greatest asset, and anything we can do to take better care of them is what we wish to do. I think that this clinic is just really the beginning of great things to come as we strive to look for opportunities to take really good care of our employees. So I'm thrilled.
Welcome to your Polk County School Board Employee Health Center, located in the Haines City Shopping Center, 641 U.S. Highway 1792 West, Unit 631B, Haines City, Florida 33844.